channel. Window Today my video topic is Window 11. Window 11 title is Window 11 is finally getting mouse setting that let you avoid the control panel. You will soon be able to disable enhanced pointer precision and flip your mouse scrolling direction easily. I read it. I have been waiting years for this. The first thing I do when I figures a fresh Windows 11 PC is disable enhanced pointer precision inside the ancient control panel and reverse my scroll wheel using the registry editor soon. I will just be able to head into the modern looking Windows 11 settings interface to control both of these settings. Window Watcher Phantom of Earth has discovered that Microsoft is secretly working on adding these options to Windows 11 setting interface. The latest Canary build of Windows 11 released earlier today includes these options in setting, but they are currently hidden behind a flag. Check this feature. Windows 11. Windows 11. Watch this video and most it's guide you. Windows laptop user has been able to reverse the scrolling direction on a touchpad for years, but it's always puzzled me why desktop PC users have had to resort to registry keys to change something as basic as mouse scrolling direction or rely on a third-party mouse manufacturer to supply software that would enable this. Apple has had this built into Mac OS for years for mic typically set to scroll up during a down motion on a mouse wheel. Likewise, enhanced pointer precision is something that PC gamers typically disable. I prefer playing first person shooters that with this setting disabled, but you always had to dig into additional mouse setting. uh, uh, note this word. uh, okay. I mark this line. Mm, yeah, 1 minute. uh, this line mark. Note this point. Okay, let's go. Mm. Our head to the dedicated mouse control panel with its ancient looking UI to get to this setting. As someone who uses their PC for gaming and regularly switches between Mac OS and Windows, these two mouse settings are certainly a welcome addition to Windows 11. Microsoft has not officially acknowledged these settings are on the way, but given they are just about to enter testing, I had expect to see them inside Windows 11 for everyone later this year. Okay, thank you watching my video. Kindly share with friends to learn it and setting the window 11 setting the window 11 for new features. Subscribe my channel, like my video. Thank you.